Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my spoken English skills in just one day. Spoken English is an essential skill in today's fast-paced, interconnected world. Whether you're chatting with friends, giving a presentation at work, or simply trying to navigate everyday conversations, being able to express yourself clearly and confidently in English can make all the difference. It's not just about personal interactions. Having strong spoken English skills can open up new career opportunities, help you connect with people from diverse backgrounds, and give you a competitive edge in the job market. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to improve their spoken English is the fear of making mistakes. It's natural to feel self-conscious about speaking in a foreign language, but this fear can hold you back from practicing and improving. Another challenge is the lack of practice. It's one thing to know the rules of grammar and vocabulary, but it's quite another to put them into action in real-life conversations. Many people also struggle with finding the right resources or support to help them improve their spoken English. Daily practice is key to boosting your spoken English skills. Try setting aside a few minutes each day to practice speaking, whether it's with a language exchange partner, a tutor, or even just by recording yourself. Engaging with native speakers is also a great way to improve. You can learn new phrases, expressions, and idioms, and get a feel for how they're used in everyday conversations. Language learning apps can also be super helpful, with many offering interactive exercises, quizzes, and games to help you build your skills. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of watching English media, like television shows, movies, or podcasts. It's a great way to get used to the rhythm and flow of the language. One powerful tip that can make a significant difference in improving your spoken English is to start thinking in English. What does that mean? Simply put, try to think in English as much as possible. Instead of translating words and phrases from your native language, try to come up with English expressions and sentences directly. This will help you sound more natural, fluent, and confident when speaking. For example, if you're trying to describe a beautiful sunset, instead of thinking, "Oh, it's like, la belle époque," try thinking directly in English. "Wow, look at that stunning sunset." To recap, we've covered some practical tips to help you boost your spoken English skills, including daily practice, engaging with native speakers, using language learning apps, and thinking in English. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can make significant progress and become a more confident, effective communicator. If you've got any other tips or tricks for improving spoken English, I'd love to hear them. Share them with me and other viewers in the comments below. And if you're interested in more language learning content, be sure to check out my other video on techniques for learning English vocabulary. Thanks for watching.